Tulsi, you can call me Bug or Basil.
Or Basil Bug.
Yes.
And I'm Mama Rocky. And you can call me Mama Rocky. And
Or
we're
Rocky.
prepping squash specifically for tacos tonight, but also for the rest of the week. So we have a whole container here full of extra squash, another container of extra squash. Just about tacos. So this is the consistency I'm making for tacos tonight.
Yes.
Smaller,
This is all what she's making is little cubes. Like that.
Yeah, it's kind of getting full. So.
You just go and then like that.
There's a little,
Then you'll have this.
you know, as a side.
This is
Steaks,
how you
burgers.
skin it. If you have these, it'd be better to use this than a knife to just skin it like people used to do back in the day when there was no scrapers. As you can see, she's putting it on the stove so we can cook those tacos.
So we'll just cook the butternut down. And,
And
always
then
start with the butternut first
If
for your
these
taco.
are growing in your yard, you know what the skin looks like? Because it kind of looks like a dinosaur's skin, but albino.
So you start with the squash first because it takes the longest to cook down. This is just a one pot wonder taco medley. And I like to somewhat flatten them out. Isn't that even? And then you turn down the temperature. Maybe a little, about a 4 on here because this pan is like an oven itself. So a 4 is actually more like a 6 inside of that pan. Do you want our advice? Our advice is what? What would we say?
Not getting the vaccine and growing your own vegetables and eating healthy food.
She went there, folks.
Amen.
She went there. Let's talk about it.
If you do eat at
Where?
Egg McDonald's,
Old McDonald's?
no, Egg McDonald's.
Egg McDonald's.
Is
GMG.
anyways, as I was saying, don't eat there anymore because probably it's just fake food. It's plastic. It's seriously just plastic, guys. I'm serious.